We have added new features to the policy and client detail report, as well as the policy detail report itself. Let's take a look at the change. Now, when you go in to set up this particular report, what you're now going to notice is the with policy and without policy filters here. This is going to be particularly helpful for me at my agency if I ever wanted to cross sell any of my clients. So in this example, as you can see over here for how I have this filtered, I have my client names grouped. That way I'm going to see a list of all policies this client has under their name. And then I have this set to pull for all of my clients who do have a personal auto policy but do not have a homeowner's policy. Maybe I wanted to try to sell them a homeowner's policy since they don't have one with me at my agency. Other examples of how this could apply is maybe this client has a general liability policy with me, but does not have a commercial property policy, or perhaps they have a health policy of some sort, but do not have a life policy with me at my agency. So the applications for this could go on and on. And notice here on this report, I also have it set with the client's contact information. So I run this report by clicking View Report. And I have my list here, and I also have my client's contact information in case I wanted to email them or give them a call or send out a letter of some sort to this client, I could do so. So we hope that you're going to find this change useful at your agency. As always, please reach out if you have any questions, either via chat, or you can also click on the help icon on your left-hand vertical toolbar, and you'll see other ways to contact us as well. Please reach out with any questions.